I'm glad you can stop by as we learn this wonderful language of Garifuna. We will be learning how to express likes and dislikes in Garifuna, starting with the object pronouns, which are no, which is to me, bon, which is to you, no, which is to him, ton, which is to her, wong, which is to us, hon, which is to you, plural, and home, which is to them. Now, the root word hisiati means like in Garifuna. That is the root word. So the sentence starts with like, which is hisiati. Then it is followed by the subject. And finally, the object pronoun, as we mentioned earlier. In this example, the subject is wanarago, which is jankunu. And the object pronoun is nu, which is to me, and that translates to I like wanarago. Next, we have hisiati hudutu bu, which is you like hudut. Next, we have hisiati la escuela lu, which is he likes school. Next, we have hisiatu uduro tu. Hisiatu uduro tu. It's supposed to be hisiatu, which we'll correct it later. And that translates to she likes fish. And finally, we have hisetia duna home. Hisetia duna home, which is they like water. I appreciate you investing your time. Tune into the next lesson where we learn to express dislikes. Until then, Sarame, ayo.